Before we dive into this information, it's important that I open it up with the right spiritual energy. So shout out to like all the guys and goddesses that's in my peer group that be tuning in. You know, we one cosmic family. Like I always tell y'all, it's the ancestors that I allow to speak through this vessel. So definitely gotta always give gratitude and thanks to them first and foremost. You all are my reflection. I salute the divinity in you all. My soul understands that me and you are one through the universal force called creation, which created us all. So definitely peace, reflection to all my peers, my elders, and definitely the group, the Blue Crystal Babies. Those 21 and under, they try to say y'all don't want to listen, y'all don't want to hear shit. They want to call y'all rambunctious, you know, and they want to treat y'all like y'all villains, you know. But I understand that.
I only came to do what? Enlighten and inform and increase the frequency of the planet.
They out here thinking we sweet.
Know the land, yeah, they patrolling. Know them here thinking we sweet. But pussy can't get stuck in your teeth.
Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. I'm meditating in the Astros, cruising my chariot. Respected on them city blocks, they love me like a cherry pop. Remember drinking liquor, selling weed right by the Marriott. When Granny was at church, shit, we brought churches right to Granny House. Fuck your label, fuck your feature. I don't need you for a song, enigma, no translator. So they probably read me wrong. Know the land, yet they patrolling. They out here thinking we sweet, but pussy candy get stuck in your teeth. Went back to my roots, set my intent, focus my praying in chief. I am that I am, and the sun don't set in the east. Chakra open, tapped in the self, now they Mauritius with me. And yeah, it's real, so they soul gravitate when I speak. Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. Them crackers fear, so they like to call us criminals. When really we some guys though, Atlanteans, Seminoles, Lemurians, Cherokee, Aztec generals, pyramid builders, never been imbeciles. All white foreign Mike Jackson, smooth criminal. And ain't no subbing out, so we'll never do subliminals. Cause really we indigenous, so that means we don't give a shit. Glizzy on my hip for every single racist hypocrite who imitating us when really they the real immigrants. Can't win without us, now they talk about us, Scottie Pippen shit.
They stole the land, yet they patrolling. They out here thinking we sweet, but pussy candy get stuck in your teeth.
Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. They out here thinking we sweet.
They stole the land, yet they patrolling. They out here thinking we sweet, but pussy candy get stuck in your teeth.
They out here thinking we sweet.
Know the land, yet they patrolling. Know them here thinking we sweet, but pussy candy get stuck in your teeth.
Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Before them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Move the trenches up, so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the Pope, Queen Elizabeth, and every Rothschild. Sitting in the jungle with the lions with my locks out. Lil' four them got them Glocks out, and they might chase a cop down. Woke the trenches up, so they mix truth with a rock now. And fuck the